Lovely morning to you all. Welcome to the GSE e-learning class. So during the last class we discussed how plants grow from seeds, and then we discussed about dispersal of seeds. From today we would learn how new plants arise from different parts of the plant. Okay, we in the first part of the chapter we saw that new plants either come from seeds or they rise from different parts of the plant. So we already discussed, we already saw that how new plants come up from the seeds. The seeds undergo germination and give rise to new plants. Now from today we'll see how new plants grow from different parts of the plant. First we will see new plants from roots. How new plants grow from roots of the plants. Before that, let's understand the meaning of this word bud. What is a bud? Bud is nothing but a small structure or a small lump which is present in parts of the plant, and from this bud only the new leaves, new shoot, the new stem or the new plant comes out or grows from it. बड क्या है? बड एक छोटा सा लंप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर या फिर एक छोटा सा आउटग्रोथ है जो कि या तो स्टेम पे प्रेजेंट होगा या रूट्स में प्रेजेंट हो या लीव्स में प्रेजेंट हो, और इसी बड से नई पत्तियां, नया शूट, नया प्लांट ग्रो करेगा. सो जब हम प्लांट्स की बात कर रहे हैं जो कि रूट, स्टेम्स या लीव्स से ग्रो करेगा, उनमें बड्स का होना ज़रूरी है. वाई? Because it is from the buds only from which the new plant, the new leaves or the new shoot will grow. Okay, so let's see how new plants grow from roots. Okay, I have something to show you. See, this is a potato. I hope you might be able to see this. So this is a potato. These are the buds. See, small lump coming out from this potato. Small lump, small outgrowth, right? So these all are buds. See, this is bud. This is the bud coming from the potato. See, stem. Yeah, this one. See, this is the bud, the white one. I don't know whether you people are able to see it or not, but this white one, this was a bud, and this small leaves, the new leaves are coming out from this bud. So this bud is present on the stem. See, so that this new leaf is coming from the bud. Okay, so new plants growing from roots. So plants like potato, carrot, beetroot, turnip, radish, etc. are examples of such plants in which the new plants grow from the roots. इन प्लांट्स में पोटैटो, कैरेट, बीटरूट, टर्निप, रैडिश, इनमें जो नए पौधे होते हैं वो किससे उगते हैं? इनके रूट से. See, example, let us take the example of carrot. This is the carrot and this portion is the root of the carrot. Now this root portion of the carrot bears buds. These all are buds. So just select one portion from this root of the carrot which is having the bud. एक छोटा सा हिस्सा आप select कर लो जिसमें buds present है, और उस छोटे से हिस्से को इसमें से कट कर लो. Then you sow this cut portion of the carrot inside the soil. ये जो हमने एक छोटा सा हिस्सा यहाँ से निकाला उसको हम मिट्टी में सो कर देते हैं. अब जब इस कैरेट के पोर्शन को, कैरेट के पीस को फेवरेबल कंडीशंस मिलेंगे. फेवरेबल कंडीशंस एज इन सफिशिएंट अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर, सफिशिएंट अमाउंट ऑफ मिनरल्स, देन इनफ सनलाइट. तो जब इन्हें ये सारे कंडीशंस मिलेगा इस कट पीस को, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? द शूट्स विल स्टार्ट कमिंग आउट ऑफ इट. द शूट, द लीव्स विल स्टार्ट coming out of it, and also the roots will start coming out of this small portion of the carrot. Again, what we did here, we just selected a small portion. We just selected a small portion of this carrot, provided this portion have the buds. Now we took this piece of carrot and we sowed it in the soil. When this piece of carrot got the favorable conditions, it started growing, and gradually shoot and leaves started emerging out of it. First the roots and then the shoots started emerging out of this, and finally the shoot and root, they grew further and the whole new plant was grown from this cut portion of the carrot. Understood? The same thing happens with all such kind of plants. The new plants come out from the roots having buds present on it. See, I don't know what you call this thing, but fortunately I had this in my farmhouse. See, this is a root, this is a root, this is the bud. This portion is the bud. From this bud, this whole new shoot, this whole new stem came out. See, from this bud, the whole new stem came out. Understood? So see how from this new bud, the new stem came out. This is the bud of this root. Now in the next class, we would see how new plants come out from the stems, how new plants come out from the spores. So let's meet in the next video.